I was kind of ruminating on like what is one word that would describe my time at WKU, and the word I came up with was transformative. One of the reasons I'm so passionate is because I moved around a lot as a kid. Like, I had to intentionally communicate, I had to intentionally build community around myself. Being a speech language pathologist, you can see real change in what you're doing, especially at the school level. Communication is key in every setting, and so it's important that every person gets to have that communication. I got to rush a sorority, and that was a really cool experience just because it was like I got to meet so many people right off the bat, and I am now a Kappa Delta. I immediately just found this like group of like 150 other women who had my back. Okay, I could call any one of these girls and they could help me. And I've also had the privilege of being employed by the Honors College. I was a student worker for 3 years, and now I've moved up into being the assistant for the director of academics. And so that's been really awesome because it's given me a lot of like soft skills, of people skills, sitting at the front desk, because a lot of my job was answering questions or getting people connected to the people they needed to be. I just think that WKU has taken a lot of potential that I had freshman year and just grown it, and I just know that like I will keep growing. I think that before I was kind of service-minded, but now I have a servant heart, and I think that that's really important going into the field I'm going into. I have truly met so many people that like will be my lifelong friends, and like none of that would have happened without WKU.